Hi, welcome guys. This is BEINGTRADERbot and it's completely free of cost. Like you can trial version, you can use trial. Yeah, let's try it. And we are going to select 18 AD by CNY market and with a 1 minute timer, and let's see if it's what's happened next. Let's see it out. And as you can see, we got the signal, but let's try the signal, and we are trying, and we are still in a trial mode, so you don't take this signal seriously. Use this in a demo account just because we are in a trial mode. And just because of because of just a minor 1 to 3 seconds we can lose. That's why we need to trial this on a demo account. Like, okay, let's see if this will be a victory or not. But there was a minor delay when taking the signals, that's why we lost. But let's try the recommended pair by the bot, and it's Euro by GBP ODC market, and let's see what's happened next. Like, okay, let's check the trade, and what signal we are going. We got a buy signals from the bot, and let's try this buy signal, and let's see what's happened next. And I am 100% damn sure that this will going to work, because first signal was minor delay. We were minor late when we were taking the trade, but this time we didn't hesitate and we took the trade on right time. Let's again recommended pair Euro by AUD, and let's search it on. First we need to search this pair if it even exists or not, just because let me tell you guys, we are on a trial mode and it has some limitations, guys, and we can't find the Euro by AUD ODC market. So no problem, we will use the check the next pair, back to pairs, and we will select our AD by CNY market, and let's take another trade on that market, and let's take 1 minute trade. Okay, let's see if this works or not. Let's see, we are getting a buy signal. Let's take a buy signal and let's see if it's work or not. And let me tell you guys, this is a trial version. We are on a trial version, and you can also try a trial version. This is video just for educational purpose, and we are just checking if this works or not. Okay, and we are getting an AI signals. It's a AI signals, guys, and you can just try this on demo just for a fun. Let's check it out, and this will be again a huge victory, guys. Again, let's check the another recommended pair USD by GBP. Let's try. Oh my god, my trial got expired, but no problem, guys, you can take a free access. Yeah, you know, VIP access, it's a free. You just need to type your UID here, and you just need to type whatever it asks for just for the verification, and you can use.